My name is Anna, and today is my birthday. Today's my 16th birthday, and my mommy brought cookies. They're really good.
Where? That can just be off.
I'm Casey Shelton, and wait.
No. We imagine that ladder with the cane is actually as tall as the other.
This is our first marathon, and we're currently building the set.
Okay, for now I think that works.
I just got back from trying to mess with music ideas on the piano. And
I really don't know what we're doing.
Man who's dismissed from his first boarding school.
Oh, that's nice. That's a good like church bell sound.
How'd you do that?
Yeah, well,
stressful. It's fine. We're getting there.
Song about rainbow. Rainbows are.
Hopefully this all turns into something really cool.
And I play Bianca.
Bianca.
Bianca. Xander's girlfriend.
Oh, yes, you can.
so we're on our lunch break. We have really great moms who provide us lunch, and we always appreciate that. And it changes every week, but every week we have awesome parents who are supporting us, so we appreciate that and we're really grateful for it. But I just wanted to hop on during the break and talk about what happened. This morning we basically stuck to the schedule that I wanted to stick to. We accomplished quite a bit just in terms of like where things are going to go on transitions and things like that, like where the furniture moves and what it becomes, because each furniture piece will become some other furniture piece or some other part of a set. So like we'll tip up the desk at some point in order to create this sense of a bombed out city. So things like that. We worked on that, and then we worked on the opening. The opening was very dark, and I'm watching it today, and it's boring and slow and sort of sad and depressing. So it sort of sets up a play that would be appropriate for if this were a play about, for example, the Holocaust, which it is not, but if it were like a Holocaust show or something like that, that's how it felt. So it was setting up the audience for a real strange tonal shift. So I think it needs to be funnier. So I think we're gonna make it funnier. 6, 7, 4, 3, 2, 1, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Everyone that process is like this. Like you start and you have this idea that you think it's gonna work, and you're like, it's not gonna work. So we gotta figure out how to make the shield fall a different way.
My name's Aaron. I play Flora in Mussolini's leg, and it's really fun. It's scary. It's really scary. I think C is the best option myself, where we become pieces with the set pieces.
I also like having an actual set if timing wasn't an issue.
Whatever they're holding needs to become like the wagon. Like every piece of the wagon needs to be held, and then we put it together.
I think it is the coolest, and I think it's the most innovative, and I think it fits the play the best.
What I want you to choreograph with your partner. He got kicked out of his first boarding school for stabbing a classmate.
He stabs me. I do see right here, somewhere like in the crowd kind of thing, and then I get stabbed and I fall back. You take my place.
So when he comes back, do you want me to stand here or do you want me?
Okay, it's like this, and you're down.
Pushes him back or something. As in kicked out.
I kind of have a similar idea, but very different.
I thought about like everybody kind of followed back with it.
But Hudson's already out of it.
Yeah, we kicked Hudson out.
Back to it.
I don't think we can do this physical theater if you want the beginning to be less like heavy.
The kids are doing great. I'm just stepping in to like document the fact that sometimes you feel like you're the captain of a sinking ship.
That night.
Do it again.